Hello YouTubers, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing video of the Panasonic Lumix DCZS80. Recently, about a couple of weeks ago, I started doing some research on getting a blogging camera, and therefore that's the purpose, the reason why I'm getting this camera. If you haven't noticed, most of the videos that I have been doing video editing I've been recording all those videos using an iPhone, actually an iPhone 11, not the 11 Pro, but a regular iPhone 11. So I went ahead, I started doing some research, and I started looking at different models of point and shoot cameras, because those are the most affordable ones. And for me, it's going to be a new experience. And for now, I'm going to be using this camera for blogging purposes only. Now, so here is the box. I'm going to show you what the box has. Again, it's not a review, it's not a full review, anything like that. Taking the box out of the camera box. It's not a full in-depth review, but just a quick unboxing video. Oh, and by the way, I got this package. It's like this combo package. It was like a special from B&H Photos, and I got a good deal on this from B&H Photos and Video, and I got these for, I'm looking at the receipt right now, $397. Supposedly this value pack here, this charger and extra battery, has a price of $100, $97. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you part of the receipt, but I'm not gonna put the order number. But I did get it from B&H. You can see there, B&H, and you can see the price there is $397. So I got a great deal on this Panasonic DCZS80, and also upon my research, I did notice that from all the YouTube reviews that I've been watching, Sony seems to have one of the best cameras for blogging out there. But I was actually focusing on getting the Sony ZV, the ZV-1, which, you know, it has a lot of positive reviews. It recently came out and for blogging, but it's a little bit on the expensive side. Just the camera alone is like $749. I was also looking at the Nikon A100 or A1000. I'm not really sure right now exactly what the model. A1000 is the Nikon Coolpix, the Coolpix A1000. But what I didn't like about that camera was that I used to own, by the way, a Nikon in the past. What I didn't like about it is the viewfinder, not the viewfinder, the display opens down instead of opening up, and that messes with the tripod settings. So if you're filming with a tripod and your monitor, your display LED is going to open downwards, then it's going to be an issue. While this camera here, this Panasonic, the display, the LCD opens upwards. So this is part of the packages that it comes with. Again, let me point it out to you. This is the Panasonic ZS80, and it does record in 4K. It also has not only Wi-Fi but Bluetooth capability, so it's able to keep an always-on connection to your cell phone, which I plan to pair it. That is one of the, benefits of having one of these, because other cameras out there are Wi-Fi only, and they seem to lose connection. So here is the battery. The battery says 1025 milliamps, 1025 milliamps, and equivalent of 7.4 watt hour. But since I got that bundle, I should have another battery in here. Now this is the I believe they call it a lanyard to keep it from falling. and here's the camera itself. Just put it in there again. So as you can see what type of camera it is. It is a Panasonic, and it is the DCZS80, and it's not a new model. It came out, I mean, I do not have the exact date, but about a year ago. So here's the camera itself. It comes in this nice like bubble wrap cushion to protect it, and inside there's like this other protective layer material. So I'm gonna slide the camera out. Oh yeah, and I got the silver model. They have two colors on this model. They have a full black, matte black, and they have the silver. So the silver was the one that had the bundle. The silver from B&H is the one that had this bundle, so I chose the silver for that reason. So as I was saying, the other model, like the Nikon, this LED display opens downwards instead of opening up as it does on this Panasonic. So what happens is that when you hook up your tripod, then if this LCD opens down, then it's gonna block some of the mechanism in the tripod. And if you're attempting to do like vlogging, you know, like to see your face and what you're doing, then it's very difficult. It's difficult to, you know, it's gonna get in the way. I mean, the Nikon does have a mechanism that it slides out and it does this funny thing, but I prefer this. Now, the other thing one thing that I did read about this type of camera, since it's a point and shoot camera, it doesn't have a mic input, so it only has the built-in mics. But I'm gonna try my best. Most of the blogging that I'm gonna be doing are gonna be like reviews, so I'm gonna have my voice very close to the mic, so it shouldn't be an issue. The only issue it might be if I'm filming anything outside, like in, you know, where there's a lot of noise. Well, here's the lockout to put the battery in the SD card. I do have an SD card, but I don't have it with it. Oh, wait a minute, it's on my ThinkPad. So it uses this type of SD card, so I would assume it has an indicator which way the car goes, because I don't want to get the car there like stuck either. I believe this is the way that it goes in. Wait a minute, it must be the other way. Oh, look at that, it's the other way. So the memory card is in there. So what I'm going to attempt to do now is put one of the batteries. And remember that I got a package from B&H. I got this package, so I have an extra battery and a wall charger. So that means that I'm not going to be using this plug that came in with the additional USB cable, unless I plan to do some data transferring over I believe it's micro USB, over micro USB, but I don't think I'm gonna be doing that, because since it has a memory card, it's just easier to pull out the memory card and plug it into my computer. My ThinkPad has a memory card reader. Okay, so oh, this battery looks very thick. Again, it says 1025 milliamps. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide it in the right position. Oh, that came out wrong. Oh, it does a click. And that's it, guys. So, oh, no. Wait a minute. Okay, it has this latch here to lock it and unlock it once I put the battery in. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on for the very first time in front of the camera. Here I go, I'm pressing the on button. Hey, what is going on? This camera is not turning on. B&H. Oh, never mind. Sorry, B&H. You did send me a good product, apparently. Apparently, I said. It has a viewfinder. It has an LCD display. Look at that. Look at that. It is showing my face. It's showing my face. Not that I'm trying to hide my face, but it is showing my face. Let's see. Ooh, can you guys see me? Okay, so again, this is unboxing. This is only an unboxing video. This is an unboxing video of the Panasonic Lumix DCZS80. It has zoom, optical zoom and all this stuff. I guess I gotta play around with it before. I have to first set it up, pair it to my phone, do all these other things before, and try it out for a couple of days. It has 30x optical zoom. Try it out for a couple of days before I do a full review on this camera. But again, there's plenty of reviews out there already, because the camera is not new. It already has quite some time since it came out, so it's not really a big deal. But I'm still gonna go ahead and do a full review later on, maybe a couple of weeks from now. But right now I just wanted to update you as to what to expect. If you see a difference of any videos that I shoot in the future, this is the vlogging camera I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be getting some studio lights and a couple of other different tripod setups, so my future videos look more professional and keep up incrementing, I guess, bettering my YouTube channel for vlogging purposes. Thank you again, guys. Thank you. And for those subscribers that I have, and I really want to thank you for subscribing to my channel. And I wish I get more subscribers. I'm I think about 300 subscribers to get to 1,000, and I'll be qualifying for the other goodies of YouTube, which you know what it is. Again, this has been a quick unboxing video of the Panasonic DCZS80. Thank you for watching, guys. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, like we all say in YouTube, and subscribe. Thank you, guys.